Mag-ano na tayo? Kamay. O, yung mga finger.
Car.
Who
Who
is
is
in
in
the
the
car?
car?
Ulit. Who
Who
is
a
in
in
the
the
car?
car?
Anong door? Car naman yan. Sino daw yung nasa car? Bilis! Kapangin! Sino daw yung nasa car?
Oto. Oto, Papa.
Video kami.
Papa.
You gotta Wait, it's this.
Up.
Ay, doon sa ano.
Wait, nakakatino na.
Clown
Clown
is
is
in
in
the...
the door.
Anong door? Ano yan?
Car.
Car. Ulit. Ituro mo.
Si mo.
Sige na.
Kasi mo to.
Sige na.
Si Mekme yan.
Clown.
Clown.
Yung finger.
Ano ito?
Ano to, mana to?
Dito mo ilalagay.
Maano tong mana to?
Finger. Ayan o, yung hintuturo mo.
Mano tong mana to?
Is
Is
in
in
the...
the door.
Ano door? Ano yan?
Car.
Car. Next.
Ito.
Mamaya, ito. Sige na. Turo mo. Who?
Who
Ganyan mo. Who is
is
in
in
the...
the door.
Ano door? Ano yun?
Car.
Car. Ulitin. Who
Who is
in
in
the
the door.
car?
Car. Akala ko kaw.
Sige na. Ano yan?
Lion.
Lion. Yung doon, ganyan. Is in
in
the
the car.
car. Tukay lang yung inano niya.
Okay.
I-send na ka na ulit.
Who
Who
is
is in
in
the
the door.
car?
Car.
Car yan, oh. O, sino daw yung nasa car? Ano yan?
Si kangaroo.
Ang galing ah. Oo nga, may baby pa siya.
The
Ano yan?
kangaroo
Kangaroo is
is
in
in
the...
the door.
Ano door?
Akala ko door, akala ko bahay yun.
Anong arod yan?
Ano ba ito?
Car.
Car. It's ghost.
Wait.
Yeah.
Sige na nga, Rod. O,
Hindi
ayusin
mo
mo.
ang ghost.
Huwag mo muna titignan, Next. Ayusin yung hands. Ganyan mo para makita mo. Who
Who
is
is the
in
in
the car?
car?
Who is in the car?
Ooh. Oh,
Tignan mo.
ghost.
Yung daliri ayusin.
Ghost.
Ilagay mo sa may finger na ganyan o ganyan.
Ghost.
Baba mo. Ilagay mo sa finger.
Ghost.
Ghost is
Is
in
in
the
the Car.
Car. Very good. Oh, next.
Nasaan siya?
Who
Who is
is in
in
the
the car?
car?
Who is at car?
Who is in the car? Nandun sa labas. Ano yan?
Giraffe.
Anong giraffe? Zebra.
Zebra.
Hmm.
Bakit ganitong car niya?
Eh, ganyan yung car ng zebra eh. Oh, sige na, sige na. Basa na. Yung pag ganyan mo, pag ganyan mo. Pag ganito yung panghawak mo.
Zebra
Zebra is in
in
the
December si Papa. Car.
car.
December yung si Papa.
Kamay. Who
Who
is
is
in
in
the
the car?
car? Ano yan?
Dede.
Ano dede? Baby.
Baby.
Ayusin mo nga. Hindi mo binasa.
Baby. Baby
Baby is
is
in
in
the
the car.
car. Very good.
It's a snow. Who
Who
is
is
in
in the
the car?
car?
It's a snowman.
Snowman. Sige na, ayusin. Hindi ko ba nabasa? Bilisan mo. Kapangit. Ay, makikita ni teacher mo yan. Sige.
No.
Ayusin yung kamay.
The
Snowman.
snowman.
Dito ka tumingin. Snowman
Snowman
is
is
in
in
the
the car.
car.
Papa.
Nep, mamaya.
Tingnan ko lang dito.
Mamaya, basahin mo muna yan bago mo open.
Who
Who
is
is turo. In
in
the
the car?
car.
Who is a car?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Read mo. Turkey
Turkey
is
is
in
in
the
the car.
car. Ano daw yung nasa car? Ano daw yun? Yung nasa car?
Ganda.
Turkey. Alam mo kung ano yung turkey? Yun yung naghabol sa'yo sa Wawa House. Turkey. Turkey yung tawag doon.
Scared ako sa turkey.
Anong araw yan ulit?
Turkey.
Turkey.
Prito ka Shanghai?
Next. Who
Who
Is.
is
He.
is
in
in the next? The
car?
car. Ano daw yung nasa car? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Unicorn.
Anong unicorn?
Ipin niya.
Kamukha mo. Ano yan?
Kamag ni Papa.
Ano yan?
Kamukha niya.
Ning, basahin mo
Giraffe. Horse.
Horse
The
is
is
in
in
the
the car.
Buntot siya, oh. Okay, read. Who
Who
is in
in
the
the car?
car? Ano yan?
Fox.
Fox.
Ah. Who who
Fox
fox
is in
in
the
the
next car.
car?
A fox is in the car.
Repeat ko na.
Hmm?
Repeat ko na.